Hello students. In our today's e-lecture, we are continuing with our chapter Linear Equations in One Variable. Today again we are going to discuss about the application of linear equation in word problems. The question which is written here, Leena has 117 rupees in the form of 5 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin. What is given? The total money 117 rupees, either 5 rupee coin or 2 rupee coin, none other than that. The number of 2 rupee coin is 4 times than the 5 rupee coin. The relation between the number of the coin is given to you and you have to find how many number of the coins of both 5 and 2 rupees Leena has. Now, the number of 5 rupee coin is 2 rupee coin is 4 times the 5 rupee coin. So, let 5 rupee coin be X. Then 2 rupee coin be 4 times mean 4x. You can take either 2 rupee coin be x, then 5 rupee coin will be x by 4 because 2 rupee coin is 4 times the 5 rupee coin. Now we are going to form the ATQ. If I am having x coins of 5 rupees, how much money I am having? 5 into x. Again I am telling you one more example. If you are having two note of 10 rupees, 20, 4, 40, 10, 100. We are multiplying the value of the note by its number to get the money. Again 2 into 4x because I am having 4x coins of 2 rupee. Now the total money Leena has 170. 5x plus 8x, 2 4s are 8x. 13x is equal to 117. Then x will be 117 by 13, 9. The value of x has come out. Now 5 rupee coins be 9 and 2 rupee coins 4 into 9, 36, and you can find that. If you want to check the answer, you are having 2 rupees coin 36, the total value 36 into 2, 72 rupees, and 9 5 rupee coin, so 9 into 5, 45, and 72 plus 45 is equal to 170. Now the next question, a total of rupees 80,000 is to be distributed among 200 persons as prizes. The total value 80,000 and the number of person whom the prizes has to be given is 200. A prize either of 500 rupee or 100 rupee. Two categories of the prizes we are having, 500 rupee or 100 rupee. Now total money is given to us, that total money to be spent is rupees 80,000 and how many prizes has to be purchased? 200 because the number of the person who are getting prizes, that is 200 given to you. Now we are having two categories. No relation is given, only the total prices is given to us. Total prices to be bought 200. Let 100 rupee prices which he is going to purchase X. Now how many total prices has to be purchased? 200 because every person has to be given price and 200 persons are there. So 500 rupees prices will be 200 minus X. Suppose if you are having 200, if you are going 50 for that, it means the rest 150 is of 500. But we have not given the exact number, so we have assumed let 100 rupee prices be X and 500 rupee prices be 200 minus X. Now if you are going to purchase 100 rupees prices and you purchased 5, how much money you spent? 500. If you purchase 100 rupee prices 8, how much money you have spent? 800. What you are doing? You are multiplying the cost of the price, that is 100 rupees, with the number of the price, that is X. So that is the total money spent on 100 rupees price, 100 into X, and you have purchased 500 rupee price, 200 minus X. So in this way you will get the total money spent on the prices and that is given to us. The total money is 80,000. Again I am explaining you. If you are purchasing X prices of 100 rupees, you are spending money 100 into X, and if you are getting 200 minus X prices of 500 rupee, again you are multiplying 500 by 200 minus X, and the total money spent, that is 80,000. Now you got your ATQ, 100X, 10,000 minus 500X. It's not 10,000, it's 1 lakh. 80,000. Now 100 minus 500 minus 400x, 80,000 minus 1 lakh minus 400x minus 20,000, 80,000 minus 1 lakh, 20,000. You can cancel off the sign. 20,000 by 400, 50. The value of X has been taken out 50. It means he has purchased 100 rupee prices. How many purchase he has purchased? 100 rupee prices. The number of 100 rupee prices is 50, and the number of 500 rupee prices is 200 minus 50, that is 150. Now the next question. When 1 by 3 is subtracted from a number and the difference is multiplied by 4, the result is 28. You have to find the number. Now to form the ATQ, first of all we have to assume let the number be X. Now ATQ, very simple question. When 1 by 3 is subtracted from the number is X. When you are going to subtract 1 by 3 from this, and the difference, what difference is this? Complete difference means when you subtract 1 by 3 from the X, but the value of X is not given, so this is the difference. X minus 1 by 3 is the difference. When multiplied by 4, the result is 28. Now 4 being multiplied here, get divided over there. 28 by 4, that is 7. X minus 1 by 3 is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 plus 1 by 3, and this is again the addition of fraction, so you have to take the LCM. 3 divided by 1, 3, multiplied by 3 divided by 3, 1, multiply 1, 22 by 3. So the value of X, the number is 22 by 3. So home assignment for today. Do question number 15, 16, 17, worksheet 2, chapter 7.